I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the battery is 12V and isolating the negative terminal, safety first. Once done, gather the push-button kit, a compatible relay, a 1020A fuse, quality crimp tools, and a multimeter so you can test continuity. Next, make sure you locate and identify the ignition harness wires, ACK, EIN, SD, and chassis ground, and label them. This prevents miswiring. Use the multimeter to verify live and switch circuits, because accurate identification avoids damage to the vehicle electrical system. Now you wire the relay and button assembly. Mount the relay near the firewall for protection, then run a fused 12V feed to relay terminal 30 so the starter circuit has a controlled power source. Connect the push button to terminal 86 so pressing it energizes the relay, and route terminal 87 to the starter solenoid trigger. Cint so the relay closes the start circuit. Make sure IGN and ACC remain on their switched feed lines to preserve accessories. Solder or crimp, and you finish by reconnecting the battery negative terminal and testing the button with a short press. Listen for the relay click and confirm starter engagement. If the starter does not crank, make sure the fuse is intact, check for 12V at the relay coil when pressed, and test starter solenoid continuity with your multimeter. These checks isolate power, signal, or starter faults. Once working, secure all wiring away from heat and moving parts, mount the button neatly in the dash, and label circuits to simplify future troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.